In the bustling world of logistics, efficiency is king and iDispatch reigns supreme. This innovative platform is transforming task management with its intuitive tasks feature, designed to streamline the way you assign jobs to your drivers. Let's take a closer look at how iDispatch is revolutionizing the dispatch process. Imagine assigning jobs with just a few clicks. That's the reality with iDispatch. Start in the Tasks tab, where you can create a new job assignment with precision. Give your task a title, select a driver, and add a detailed description along with the payment details. Enhance communication by attaching photos or documents, and set the pickup details including date, time, and any special instructions. Once you've created a task, your driver receives an instant notification. As they accept the job, you can monitor the task's progress in real time, making adjustments as needed. Create a tracking link to keep your customer in the loop, offering them the driver's location and estimated arrival time without compromising privacy. As your driver completes each milestone, you receive updates, ensuring both you and your customer are informed every step of the way. After the task is finished, you can easily duplicate and edit it for other drivers, all within the seamless interface of the iDispatch app and website. Experience the new era of task management with iDispatch, where every task becomes effortless.